Welcome to the English Talk Show, the podcast where we learn real English together through stories, laughter, and a whole lot of fun. I'm Rex.
And I'm Melissa, and oh my goodness, do we have a treat for you today. Rex, I have been looking forward to this episode all week.
Same. Today's episode is called Grandma Learns Social Media.
Just the title. If you have ever tried to teach a grandparent how to use a smartphone, you already know exactly what is coming. And if you haven't, you are in for something special.
In today's story, we'll learn social media vocabulary and essential tech phrases. Let's dive in.
Our story begins on a sunny Saturday morning in the Miller family home. In the kitchen, 72-year-old Grandma Rose is making her famous blueberry pancakes. The smell is absolutely wonderful. Butter is sizzling, the radio is playing softly, everything is peaceful. And in the living room, her 16-year-old grandson Tommy is sitting on the sofa, eyes fixed on his phone, completely silent, as if the rest of the world does not exist.
Tommy, breakfast is almost ready. Put down that little glowing rectangle and come to the table, dear.
One sec, Grandma. I'm just posting something.
Posting? Oh, how lovely. What are you sending, dear? A birthday card? A letter? Should I get you an envelope? I have some very nice ones with gold trim in the top drawer.
No, Grandma. Posting, as in on social media. Putting a photo online for people to see.
Oh, you're putting a photograph on the internet. But how do people get it out? Do they print it themselves? And who pays for the ink?
Tommy stared at his grandmother with wide eyes. He opened his mouth. He closed his mouth. He had absolutely no idea where to begin. But Grandma Rose was already sitting down across from him, folding her hands on the table with great curiosity.
You know, Tommy dear, all your cousins keep talking about this social media business. Instagram and the TikTok and the Facebook. Maybe it is time your grandmother joined the modern world. Teach me.
Tommy looked at his grandmother. He looked at his phone. He took a very, very deep breath. And he said, "Okay, Grandma, let's do this."
Okay, let's pause the story right here for our first learning moment. Did you catch that word? Post. P-O-S-T. Let's look at it closely because it has two different meanings in English. In modern English, especially in social media, to post something means to publish it online for people to see. For example, I posted a photo of my lunch. She posted a funny video. He posted about his holiday.
I love that. Okay, back to the story. Tommy has made a very brave decision. He is going to teach Grandma Rose how to use social media.
Tommy sat down beside Grandma Rose on the sofa, opened a social media app on his spare old phone, and handed it to her very carefully, like he was handling something fragile, which, in a way, he was.
Okay, Grandma. First things first, we need to log in. That means we type in your username and password, your special secret code, so the app knows it's you.
My user? What? A password? Good heavens, is this a bank? Should I be worried?
No, it's not a bank. It's a social media account. Think of it like your profile, your own personal page on the internet. It has your name, your photo, and information about you. It's like a digital version of you. All right, Grandma, profile is done. Now, let me show you your feed. See this screen here? This is your feed. It shows you posts from all the people you follow.
Learning moment number 2. Let's quickly cover the key technology phrases you just heard. Log in. Enter your username and password to open your account. Scroll down. Move your finger downward on the screen to see more content. Tap. Lightly touch the screen once with your finger to select something. And swipe left. Slide your finger horizontally to the left. These 4 phrases come up everywhere in digital life. Now back to the story. Things are about to go very sideways.
Tommy showed Grandma Rose how to scroll down through her feed. She held the phone with both hands, leaning forward like she was reading a very important document, examining every single post with great seriousness.
Grandma, focus. Let's try posting something yourself. Tap this little button here. this square with a plus sign in the corner.
This one? Oh, my fingers are a little large for these tiny little buttons.
Grandma Rose pressed a button, but not the right button. Instead of the regular post button, she had pressed the live button. Suddenly, the front camera switched on. Her face appeared on the screen, and a red banner flashed at the top. 347 people were now watching.
Oh goodness, there I am. Is that me? Oh dear, my hair is a complete disaster. Hello? Hello? Can anyone hear me? Is someone inside this machine? Who put my face on here?
Grandma, you're live. You are live right now. People can see you.
I'm alive? Thomas, of course I'm alive. I'm standing right here. I had a full breakfast. Now would someone please explain why my face is on this screen and how I make it stop?
Grandma, please don't. We need to end the live first. Here, swipe left, then tap here, and they're done.
Learning moment. The word live is fascinating. It has two different pronunciations that mean completely different things. When it rhymes with 5, it means happening right now, in real time. We are live on air. When it rhymes with give, it means to be alive or to reside somewhere. I live in New York, so when Tommy shouted "You're live," he meant the camera was on and people could see her. But Grandma Rose heard the other meaning entirely, a classic English misunderstanding. Are you ready? If you thought going live was chaotic, just wait.
After the live video incident, Tommy took a deep breath and decided to try something simpler. He would teach Grandma Rose how to send a message, a private message, to one specific person. Just one. Simple, right?
Tommy, dear, I would like to send a message to your Aunt Patricia. I have something important to tell her, and I don't want to telephone her because she talks for 45 minutes minimum. Can I send her a private note on here?
Sure, Grandma. You tap this icon here, the little speech bubble at the top of the screen, and then you search for Aunt Patricia's name. Then you type your message in that box.
This little bubble thing. All right, I see it. Let me try. Oh yes, there we are. I think I found her. Let me type now.
But Grandma Rose had not found the private message screen. She had found the public comment section beneath a post by the local town news page, a page followed by 14,000 people. And she began to type, very carefully, with one finger, in capital letters.
Patricia. Dear, I hope your stomach is feeling better after last Tuesday. The doctor did say it was the shellfish. I told you the buffet looks suspicious. Also, I think Gerald has put on weight since Christmas. Do not tell him I said so. Lovely to chat. All my love, Rose.
Grandma, that is not a private message. That is a public comment on the local news page. 14,000 people can read that. It already has 23 likes.
But I pressed the little button and I typed Patricia at the top. Was that not correct? I thought that was her page.
Right? This is today's key learning moment. A comment is a public message you write beneath a post. Anyone who can see that post can also read your comment. A direct message, or DM, is sent to just one person and is completely private. Think of a comment as speaking into a microphone at a party, and a DM as whispering in someone's ear. And when you say the wrong thing at the wrong moment, we call that putting your foot in your mouth. Poor Grandma Rose really put her foot in her mouth with the shellfish message. Later that afternoon, Grandma Rose was actually making progress. She had scrolled quite confidently. She had posted a photo of Mr. Whiskers on the windowsill. She had even added a caption, which she wrote in full, proper sentences with a full stop at the end. And she was feeling very pleased with herself.
I have to say, Tommy, I'm beginning to enjoy this. It's like looking through a window into everyone's lives. Very nosy, but in a socially acceptable way.
Ha! Yeah, that's basically what it is, Grandma.
And then she scrolled to something that made her eyes go wide. It was an image, a photograph of a man in a lab coat looking very serious. The text over the picture said in large, bold letters, "Scientists confirm drinking tea. Every morning causes mild invisibility. Governments staying quiet."
Tommy, come quickly. There is terrible news. Scientists have proven that drinking tea causes people to become invisible. It says so right here, with a photograph of an actual scientist. This is a catastrophe. I have been drinking tea every morning for 50 years.
Tommy walked in slowly from the kitchen. He looked at the phone. He closed his eyes, and then he opened them again.
Grandma, that is a meme.
A what? A meme? What on earth is a meme? Is that French?
A meme it's a joke, Grandma. Someone put funny fake words on top of a photo to make people laugh. It is not real. It is not news. Nobody is becoming invisible from tea.
But it looks so official. There is a scientist and a laboratory and those very convincing block letters.
Grandma, anyone can put words on a photo. That doesn't make it real. You have to check if information comes from a trusted official news source before you believe it.
Learning moment. To share something on social media means to pass it to your own followers so they can see it too. And when a post spreads to millions of people at incredible speed, we say it has gone viral. Now, here comes the grand finale of our story. By early evening, Grandma Rose was feeling very confident. She had scrolled, posted, commented publicly by accident, gone live, and shared a warning about invisible tea drinkers. She felt like a seasoned social media professional.
Here is what had happened. Someone had been watching the live video that afternoon, the one where Grandma Rose appeared on camera, had no idea what was happening, and said, "Hello, can anyone hear me? Is someone in there?" That person had recorded it, and they posted it.
And someone else shared it, and someone else shared it after that. And then a very popular page, one with over 2 million followers, shared it with the caption, "This grandma is all of us trying to understand technology. I am not okay. Send help."
By 9 o'clock that evening, the clip had been viewed over 11 million times. Celebrities were commenting. People from different countries were tagging their own grandmothers. Fan accounts had been created. Grandma Rose's confused face, peering into the camera and saying, "Hello, is someone inside this machine?" was everywhere on the internet.
Grandma, you need to see something. No, Grandma, you have 11 million views on your live video. You've gone viral.
Gone viral? Oh, goodness. Should I see a doctor? Is it contagious? I haven't been near anyone sick. Although Gerald did look a bit peaky at Christmas, come to think of it.
No, Grandma, it's a good thing. Going viral means millions of people have seen your video and they love you. You are famous. You are an internet sensation.
Grandma Rose put down her book very slowly. She picked up the phone. She looked at the screen. She looked at the numbers. She looked at all the comments from people all around the world. And then she straightened up in her chair, adjusted her cardigan, and folded her hands in her lap.
Well, I always have said I have a certain natural presence. I once gave a reading at the village church and 3 people cried. I suppose the internet has simply confirmed what those who know me have always understood.
She replied to every single one, personally, individually, in complete sentences, with proper grammar and full punctuation, no abbreviations, no emoji, just warm, gracious, hand-typed replies to strangers from a dozen different countries, written at the age of 72 with one finger at the dining room table.
And the internet, the chaotic, fast-moving, sometimes unkind internet, felt, just for a little while, like a very warm and friendly place. And it was all because of one 72-year-old woman who had no idea what a live video was. And that is the end of the story.
And that is a wrap on today's episode of the English Talk Show. Thank you so much for spending time with us today. We hope Grandma Rose made you laugh and made you feel warm, and maybe taught you a little something about social media along the way.
Remember, learning a language is an adventure. Sometimes you press the wrong button, accidentally go live, or message the whole town. And that is completely okay. Every single mistake is a chance to learn something new. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, keep scrolling down, and keep your vocabulary growing every single day. I'm Rex.
And I'm Melissa. This has been the English Talk Show. We'll see you in the next episode. And remember, somewhere out there, Grandma Rose is still replying to comments. One careful, perfectly punctuated sentence at a time.